morning, students. Good morning. Sit down. Sit down. Where's Sneha? Sneha? ಯಾವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ? Come in front. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ನೀನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ? Come in front. ತೇಜಸ್, ಪವನ್, ಬಿಂದು, ತುಳಸಿ, ಸೂರ್ಯ, Sneha, you're talking in the class. This time, I'm leaving everyone. But next, repeat agra, I will give very serious punishment, okay? Madila anta. But Sneha not kaliru. Avಳು ಎಲ್ಲ homework on time ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳು. Sneha, what? Homework ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? Okay. Sit down, everyone. Sit down. Sneha, come with me. Sneha, what happened? Everything okay? ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಯ್ತು ನಿನಗೆ? Are you all right?